City-states. The ancient Greek civilization was made up of hundreds of city-states. These were local communities with a shared identity, culture, philosophy, economy, leadership, and army. Most city-states were isolated from each other due to the mountainous landscape. Many of the islands in the Aegean Sea were also city-states. Some city-states had kings, while others were ruled over by tyrants. In later years, some, like Athens, became democracies, where every citizen had the right to vote and stand for election. Athens and Sparta. The most powerful city-states were Athens and Sparta. In a way, they were polar opposites. The Athenians were educated and cultured. They valued wisdom and art very highly. Athens was the birthplace of democracy. Every citizen had the right to vote. The Spartans, on the other hand, had 2 kings and an assembly of elders. They were more interested in fighting than philosophy or the arts. They trained their boys to be fearless soldiers. Girls also had to keep fit and strong, so that they would give birth to strong children when they were older. The Greek historian and philosopher Plutarch, AD 46 to 119, commented that the Spartans treated their women with the utmost respect when compared to other city-states. City-states at war. One thing the Athenians and Spartans had in common was their love of war. Both city-states built up strong armies. They also formed partnerships with other city-states. Strong city-states, such as Athens and Sparta, regularly went to war with each other. Most wars were fights about territory and trade. City-states wanted more land, wealth, and power, and they had to fight to get it. One of the most famous wars was the Peloponnesian War, 431 to 404 BC, between Athens and Sparta. It was a huge victory for the Spartans. This war set an example to the other city-states, many of whom had sided with either Athens or Sparta. It made war seem desirable. After all, if the Spartans could defeat the strongest city-state in ancient Greece, anything was possible.